Hi, I'm Adam Mattis from Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, rolls, lathes, mills, and much more. Today I'm going to show you a really nice machine just came in. It's the year 2001 Mitek 3-axis automatic surface grinder. Machine's in excellent, beautiful condition. This is all original paint, everything you see. It's got a parallel dresser with it, coolant system, work lamp, nice electromagnetic chuck. Everything's controlled by this controller right here. Right now we have the magnet on, so it's holding it real nice and tight. We'll go ahead and show you right now. We're in manual mode. We'll start the machine up. A very quiet machine. As I say, it's the year 2001. The company must not have used it very much. Right here we can move the head automatically right here. That's bringing the head up and down manually. And if you want to put this into automatic mode, we'll go ahead and start the saddle here. Start this, it'll turn your saddle on, and this is going to tell it which way it's going to feed. So now it's going to start feeding towards us, and you'll see that right here. You could switch this at any time if you want, but right now it's manually going in and step feeding. So every time it goes across, goes to the next thing, comes down, and step feeds all the way down the chuck or your piece until it's finished. You can see everything's working on this. Here's the hydraulic tank in the back. Electrical cabinet. This is a nice control. This is an NC control for the down feed. Here's your handle for starting the saddle, the table. It's also got an auto lube system as well as the coolant system over here. This can hold a wheel size of 14-inch by 1.5 by 5. It has a maximum longitudinal travel of 14.5 by 27.5. We carry all types of surface grinders, all brands, Okamoto's, Brown and Sharp, many different types, as well as vintage, automatic, manual. Whatever you like, please give us a call, new and used, 626-444-0311, or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you. Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.